Have you ever wondered why your heart races when you see that special someone? Or why you can't stop thinking about them, even when you try? Love might feel like magic, but it's actually science. Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of human emotions. Today, we're diving into the science of love and attraction, what makes us fall in love. Stick around, this is going to blow your mind. Love isn't just one thing. It's a complex mix of biology, psychology, and even a little bit of evolution. To understand it, we'll break it down into 3 key sections. 1. The chemistry of attraction. What's happening in your brain and body? 2. The psychology of connection. Why do we feel drawn to certain people? 3. The role of evolution. How has love shaped us as a species? Let's start with the chemistry, because yes, love is literally a drug. When you feel that spark with someone, your brain is lighting up like a fireworks show. The key player here is a neurotransmitter called dopamine. Dopamine is your brain's reward chemical. It makes you feel amazing when you're around the person you're attracted to. It's the same chemical that gets activated when you eat your favorite food or win a game. No wonder love feels so good. But dopamine isn't working alone. It teams up with other chemicals like oxytocin, often called the cuddle hormone, and vasopressin, which helps build long-term attachment. Together, these chemicals create that euphoric, can't eat, can't sleep feeling we call falling in love. Did you know? The brain scans of people in love look similar to those of someone on cocaine. Love is literally addictive. So, the next time someone says you're high on love, they're not wrong. Now, let's talk about the psychology behind why we're drawn to certain people. Have you ever noticed that you tend to fall for people who are similar to you? That's not a coincidence. Psychologists call this the similarity-attraction effect. We're naturally drawn to people who share our values, interests, and even quirks. But it's not just about similarity. There's also something called the mere exposure effect, which means we tend to like people more the more we see them. That's why coworkers or classmates often develop crushes. They're around each other all the time. Ever had a crush on someone just because they were always around? Blame the mere exposure effect. And let's not forget reciprocity. We're more likely to fall for someone if we know they like us back. It's a two-way street of emotional connection. Finally, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Evolution. From a biological standpoint, love and attraction exist to help us survive and reproduce. Early humans who formed strong bonds were more likely to raise children successfully, passing on their genes. That's why we're wired to seek out partners who are healthy, kind, and reliable. But evolution also explains why we're drawn to certain traits. For example, studies show that people are often attracted to symmetrical faces because they're a sign of good health and strong genes. And that spark you feel? It's your subconscious evaluating whether someone would be a good match for the long haul. Fun fact, women's voices become higher pitched when talking to someone they're attracted to, while men's voices become deeper. It's all part of the evolutionary dance. So, let's recap what we've learned today. 1. Love is a chemical cocktail of dopamine, oxytocin, and vasopressin. 2. Psychology plays a huge role in who we're drawn to, from similarity to reciprocity. 3. Evolution has shaped love to help us survive and thrive as a species. Love might feel like a mystery, but when you break it down, it's a beautiful blend of science and emotion. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your take on the science of love? Have you ever experienced that chemical high of falling for someone? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to read them. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our next deep dive into the wonders of science and life. Thanks for watching, and remember, love might be science, but it's also magic. See you next time.